Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is the Gemini new moon reading for you, Gemini. Yeah, of course, happy birthday to all of you. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, sharing, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the good tarot deck I'm using right now. Okay, so let's start your reading, Gemini. This is for the Geminis for the new moon in Gemini. Okay, so yeah, okay, let's see. Wow, Judgment. So this is the Judgment card of the tarot. Here is this call in the good tarot. Okay, I'm feeling that someone is coming back, or someone is getting a second chance. It must be a second opportunity from the universe, given by the universe. It must be you and your person. Okay, Moon, King of Cups, Ten of Cups. Wow, wow. Leo, Ten of Swords, right in the heart of your spread. Wow. Okay, Gemini, you are ending, definitely you are ending some kind of big chapter, because we have two tens here, Ten of Cups and Ten of Swords. And I'm feeling that some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. Cancer and Pisces are very prominent here. Leo is also here. King of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Magician. Yeah, Three of Swords. Okay, so some of you are dealing with water sign, Aries, Leo, Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. So I mean everyone is here. Okay, I'm feeling that with the moon, King of Cups and the Ten of Cups, definitely something was hidden from you. I'm feeling that this is the feelings of the person you're dealing with. They were hiding their feelings. Yeah, you can see this moon, King of Cups. They are hiding their feelings, because King of Cup is a person who doesn't reveal their feeling very easily. And Ten of Cups, so I'm feeling that you feel happy at that time of the past with this person, but because they were hiding their feeling, and I also feeling that they are fearful of the commitment. With this moon card and Ten of Cups, definitely they are afraid of the commitment, of tie down in a relationship. Yeah, that's why this ending is happening. This ending is happening, that is why. Yeah, because you want commitment, you want marriage, and they are just no beating around the bush. They were just like that. Strength, Ten of Swords and the King of Wands. Okay, you are right now in your power, in your strength, which is great. You are very strong right now, Gemini, and of course this is your birthday season, so you are the most strong zodiac in the Gemini season, definitely. Okay, and here you are action taker. You are taking action for your growth, for your betterment, which is good, towards your passion. Yeah, which I am feeling from that. With the Queen of Pentacles, Magician and the Three of Swords, you are trying to be nurtured, you are trying to be happy, and you are trying to manifest abundance. You are trying to manifest it, like you want to utilize your time to getting abundance, stability, happiness, love. But because of that ending, you are feeling a little bit sad, but you have to let go of the sadness. Yes, you have to let go of this sadness, because this is for your higher good. Okay, so let's see what is this judgment about for the Geminis. What is this judgment? Six of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, yeah. Five of Wands. Okay, I'm feeling that you're trying to make situation balance. That's why you are not putting effort in drama. Yeah, I was telling you that you're trying to balance the situation. That's why you are converting your attention, diverting your uh, energy towards the work situation, because you don't want any kind of conflict, drama, argument, playing games. You don't want that. You are like level up from this kind of situation. You don't want any kind of lower vibration energy in your surroundings. That's why you are spending your time, effort and energy to get yourself stable, which is the great thing you're doing. Okay, what is this moon here? What is this moon here? What is this moon here about for the Gemini? Wow, Taurus. Hierophant is here. Some of you are dealing with the Taurus. Okay, Hermit, Virgo, Page of Swords. Okay, so definitely some of you are dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. Okay, I'm feeling that definitely this is commitment, fearful from the commitment. You can see that Moon and the Hierophant. So Moon is fear and Hierophant is commitment. So the person you're dealing with is afraid of the commitment. They don't want to tie down. They want freedom. Like they want to make this relationship open-ended. Okay, which is not good. Okay, this is you, Hermit and Hierophant. I know that this is spiritual card also. Hermit is also very spiritual, but you want marriage, stability, commitment, a very strong relation. This is also very strong relation with the divine, and you are searching for the purpose of your life. I'm feeling like that. You want to know what is your life purpose on this earth, on this planet. That's why you are a little bit searching about with this Page of Swords. You want to know after that betrayal of that past person. Definitely there was the betrayal. Like when both of you, when someone met to their person, when anyone, they want commitment. They had marriage at the back of their mind. Okay, and when the other person, when they rejected or they do like say something like no, it's open-ended relationship, we are good like this and not marriage. So that is the toxic person. Yeah, what is this Ten of Swords about? Right in the heart of your spread, Gemini. Yeah, transformation. That relationship has to end it for your transformation. Hanged Man. Yeah, because you were feeling stuck, but now you are feeling in your element. This is you, Gemini. Now you are in your self, like you are feeling yourself, because at that point you were busy to make the person happy, not to yourself. You were not making happy yourself at that time. You were making that person happy. But now you are very transformed by ending the situation. You are very strong with this Leo also here. And yeah, your perspective has changed about the commitments, about the connections, about the relationship, about any kind of situation you were dealing with the past. Now you have a different perspective of it, and you are very clear about your thoughts. You are just amazing. Yeah, what is this Magician here? What is this Magician here for the Gemini? Okay, this wants to come out. Wow, so you are manifesting a very beautiful connection. Yeah, it must be a new person. Nine of Pentacles. You are in your higher self, like in your element. Seven of Wands. Look what is under the deck. Empress. I'm gonna take it. Wow, and Star. Wow, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups. Okay, I just want to take these because these cards are definitely for you, Gemini. This is the abundance you are manifesting, and you are a very healed person right now. I hope you can see the cards. Abundance you have manifested for you. The beautiful opportunity given by the universe, and this is the destined person. I have told you that this is a new person, so definitely this is a new person who is coming your way to make you happy and to give you this beautiful stable connection which you ever wished for, because they can see your worth. So don't resist any kind of offers. Just receiving energy, stay in that receiving energy, so that universe can provide you those opportunities, okay, and those people. You are manifesting this connection. Wow, it's beautiful. You are manifesting this beautiful abundance. You can see this. Wow. So Gemini, this is I have for you for the new moon of Gemini. I hope you will get help from it, and I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.